You'll need a drill press. Set it to quite a high speed. The faster the better. And an abrasive cutting wheel. This is a little 2.5-inch wheel I picked up at the hardware store, and I've just used a 3/8-inch bolt for a mandrel. You'll also need something to hold the typewriter key. In this case, I'm using some cable television connector crimping pliers, but a good stout pair of needle nose pliers will work as well. And here I'm using an aluminum block, but you could use a piece of wood to position the key at the correct height. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the typewriter key under the abrasive cutting wheel. And that's all there is to it.